Hello and welcome everyone. So I'm going to do a video here on a couple important topics, and I'm going to put all this in one video because what I'm going to show you is going to reference these particular issues as well as heal your entire body. And this is something that you're going to have to do daily. This is something that you're going to have to do without cheating, if you want to call it, by incorporating other foods, other toxic foods. It's just going to cause the body not to fully heal. So once your body gets in the process of detoxing and you start feeling better, you start to see wrinkles go away and inflammation decrease, skin issues go away, that's a sign you really need to keep moving forward, and you need to not try to inhibit this process and deflect it as far as what the body is doing to heal, as well as the particular supplements I'm going to show you, which are not anything that you buy at the grocery store. These are going to be medicinal, powerful herbs, and some of these you may have never heard of. So let's start with HIV. And this is basically what is happening inside of your body. I know there's a lot of conspiracy theorists saying they haven't found the virus, this and that. Look, if you have liver disease, you have cancer, you have problems in your body's acidic, right? So obviously the body's giving you signs. Jaundice has been something that has been known for thousands of years, and that's what the Chinese called it, even at that time. Western medicine calls it jaundice. So if you have HIV, they're looking at different indicators, and there can be a lot of false positives. And unfortunately, that's something to get people on drugs. Now, drugs are highly toxic to the body, and I personally would never take any type of pharmaceutical drug. And unfortunately in this video, I'm going to have to give you a disclaimer that if you are taking drugs and you have been prescribed these by your doctor, you may want to consult your doctor first if you're taking drugs, as far as combining any type of herbal supplement or any information I'm going to give you in this video, because drugs can cause a reaction. So with that said, you know what to do with that. Now, in my personal opinion, if I was told I had to take a drug and I had access to knowledge, or I was finding particular types of knowledge, I would really educate myself to understand the toxicity. And even the Chinese know, if you don't know what the yin and the yang are, I'm not going to explain all of that, but they are at the very bottom of the scale. Drugs are way down there with other chemicals, so just keep that in mind. And they can suppress and treat symptoms, but if your body gets too acidic, and that's happening all over. Cancer rates are sky high. It's happening in children. It's being passed from the mothers onto the children, and they are just not detoxifying. They're eating and consuming a lot of acid foods, and the body is reacting with these symptoms. So let's go ahead and look at what I'm going to show you here. And I'm going to go pretty quick here, but this is some information that I have compiled and put together for you folks, and this is called Carnivora. This is from the Venus flytrap. I personally have taken this and do take this myself. I've noticed a phenomenal difference with zero side effects. If you are just starting out on this, you want to start out with one of these capsules and then work your way up to 3 twice a day, then eventually 3 times per day. You can do this over the course of a week, just to see how your body reacts. And once again, I have experienced zero side effects using this, and this is phenomenal for anyone. And I just want to show you that the use of Venus flytrap started back in the 70s, and this is where a German physician, I'm just going to show you some key points here, used its contents on cancerous cells to determine whether it could digest the abnormal cells. So a while later, a formula called Carnivora was created, possibly curing cancer. And again, this is a plant, folks. The Venus flytrap plant. Look it up. Not many people know about this. This is the highest quality. This is the original company that started. That's why I'm showing you this one. This is the one that I have taken. So today scientists find that Venus flytrap is not only used for cancer, but other diseases as well. Diseases are symptoms in the body of other problems. Yes, there can be viral infections. Yes, you can get hepatitis C or B, and they can affect the liver, usually in 50% of the people, causing cirrhosis of the liver, just to kind of point that out. And these particular natural plant-based products will help combat with that, along with the proper diet, which I'll get in here in a moment. Scientists have tested certain enzymes and the chemicals within the plant that helps break down the cancerous proteins in tumors. Carnivora, as an agent, efficiently kills intruder DNA when it encounters cancer in the human system. Very powerful. The most astonishing result has been Venus flytrap's direct effect in decreasing the viability of HIV. An identified biochemical ingredient in Venus flytrap kills the HIV virus. And you might be wondering, why is this not known? Why is this not all over the news? Look, folks, watch my video on the deception of allopathic medicine. It's in on my channel. You can type in James Store Disease on YouTube and type in deception of allopathic medicine. It's from September of 2015 to really learn more about how the Rockefellers and the Carnegies started the whole system and how everything was created. So let's get back into this. The beta-2 microglobion test, which measures the amounts of plasma proteins originated by HIV, declines. So this is very important, and it's going to indicate that the patient is not advancing to full-blown AIDS. So it's helping your immune system. Venus flytrap has been known to help balance out the body's immune system. This means even someone with a healthy immune system can experience issues from environmental toxins, poor diet, so Venus flytrap can provide benefits for those individuals as well. Astonishing, isn't it? The dosage for a healthy individual would be 3 capsules taken per day. The dosage for someone with HIV or cancer or any type of liver disease would be 3 capsules 3 times a day. It's best to take this before meals, and it's best to do it on almost an empty stomach. That's why I want to take it before meals. It works better. For a total of 9 capsules per day, the capsules should be taken, I would say, about 15 minutes, 5 to 15 minutes before a meal. You could go a little longer if you need to do so. It will still be fine. People with HIV also can use cat's claw coupled with Carnivora capsules. However, this will cause some side effects. They will be minor. These will include dizziness, nausea, diarrhea when taking cat's claw. The diarrhea or loose stools tend to be mild and go away with continued use of this herb. Taking Carnivora by itself will not have any side effects unless they are taking prescription drugs. So if you're taking any type of drugs, you need to check with your healthcare provider and make sure there's not any known reactions for any of these herbs. So this is very important. Okay, so now I want to get into medicinal mushrooms. And medicinal mushrooms, if you don't know about these are very powerful. These also have very limited to 0 side effects. I take these as well. And if you want to watch my video, I've done a video recently on that. It shows about the 5 medicinal mushrooms. So take a look at that. It shows the high quality ones that I have used. There's other ones out there, but these are just the ones I've used. So research shows that polysaccharide is basically what's going to help in reishi. It's going to boost the immune system by raising the amount of certain T cells, which has major implications for people suffering from AIDS and immune disorders. So it's also going to help with people with liver disease and other issues as well, of course, cancer. Again, this is summarizing all of this. So, I don't want to make this video too long. I want to get straight to the point so everyone can get moving forward. And Cordyceps, great, also helps balance out the reishi. It's been known in traditional Chinese medicine. This has a benefit, will help benefit the working of the kidney and lung meridians. Very important. Kidneys are crucial. Look at my video about the filtering of your kidneys. This works for anyone that wants to detox their body. Once they're filtering, it's going to make it easier, and all of these herbs are going to help move the body forward, okay? So the strengthening of these meridians is said to aid to strengthen the body, and making it resilient against fatigue, night sweats, lower back pain, decreased libido, impotence, hypoglycemia, severe exhaustion, respiratory disease, cardiovascular disease, and even liver disease. So cordyceps has been used medicinally in China for 2,000 years, but has only been classified as a medicine in Chinese medicine since 1964. Okay, shiitake mushrooms. You may have eaten these at a restaurant, but these are going to provide some of the most outstanding immune boosting benefits around. Okay, and when we get into other mushrooms, I want to get into Coriolis, which is the turkey tail mushroom, and this is going to help with all three of these as well. If you look at this, this basically PSK increases the interferon production as well as scavenging superoxide, and basically it's telling you about the free radicals, has demonstrated antiviral activity, possibly even inhibiting HIV infection. There you have it, folks. Let's look at maitake. Maitake is something that's known with the D infraction and has a polysaccharide called beta-glucan, and this is going to help through the activation of immunocompetent cells. And this is basically going to help your immune system and to fight this. So now you need to add in fruits, berries, and melons and move forward with getting rid of this issue. And also try to get some sun every day, 2 or 3 times a day, 15 to 30 minutes. Watch my other videos on that. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Look forward to seeing you all healthy. Bye-bye.